Final lap of the day is getting to be an end. I am on my way to pick my friend Mr. J. Krishnan, who is working as a pharmacist for Emirates European Hospital, and he has given me an opportunity to serve my company by offering his car. Being my car is got complaint, so I had taken this car to drive towards him to pick him up and take him into my room. Thanks a lot, sir, for all the support, whatever you have provided, and I will reciprocate the same thing in my future as well. Thanks a lot once again. Bye and good night. This place is called Reef Al Shah Hypermarket. Another side we are seeing the ADNOC pump, and here comes the hospital, Emirates European Hospital. It's a daycare surgery hospital where many specialty of doctors are practicing. And my friend Jay Krishnan is there in the pharmacy. You can see the pharmacy there, Emirates European Hospital pharmacy. So I'm on my way to picking him up. Here comes the renowned medical center and the clinic and the hospital group called Aster. On my right side, you are seeing the Aster clinic of Abutina area. The care and love of a parent and the kids are seen there on the picture of Aster Clinic. The life of a journey of a salesman is going to be an end for the day. The great inspiration I have got it by doing so for my company, and I will be always there to support my company whatsoever it happens. Thanks a lot once again. I'm taking a roundabout. Just coming up my roundabout, putting the indicator, taking a round now. Life is miserable, but if you're doing something, there is Saudi German, you can see. If you're doing something like this, and it is challenging, but at the same time enjoyable in all means, putting effort and getting a fruit is something great. I really enjoyed the eve and the entire day I spent for my doctors, I spent for my company, and I spent for the people who loved me. And I have to start tomorrow morning with one of the doctor called Dr. Nisha Babu to drop her in University Hospital for her classes. Here comes the Sharjah Cop Society. There is a parking. I'm trying to park my vehicle. Anyway, I'll put it somewhere near to the hospital side itself. You can see the hospital here. I'm just putting my car here. It's been a great experience I spent towards this day, and the day was fruitful, and completely it has given lot of enthusiasm and spirit to do my level best to support my company BioPlus, based in Bangalore, and proud to be an Indian, proud to be a BioPlus employee, and proud to be an employee of Al Ittihad Drugstore, where I am getting a visa and doing my best always. I will do my best. Always I will be doing my best, and whenever I get an opportunity to serve people, I owe you that I will do my best, as I always try to do. This is the only thing I would like to share with you. The life of a salesman comes to an end for the day. Thank you and good night.